Babe, I'm just asking you to take responsibility for your actions.
I'm not doing anything.
That's exactly the problem. He's so clearly dependent on you. He needs you to be a friend. I'll call you later.
New hat?
I screwed things up with a really nice girl, and I totaled my car, almost died, because I took an enormous dark web dick pill that you told me to. And I'm not asking you for anything. I don't want anything. I'm trying to,
I understand. I do. You don't want to be best friends anymore. Okay. I guess I'm sorry that I helped you try to reach the massive amount of potential that you have, that I see inside of you.
Well, it doesn't feel like that, because I'm doing everything that you're telling me to do, and
You keep failing? Hmm? You're not failing, brother. Not at all. Hey, do you remember what Pawlowski said about walking through the fire?
No, I think maybe I shouldn't come here anymore.
You're a good man, Jonathon. The best of us. You know, it's this world that's bad. And there you are every day, walking through that fire. You inspire me.
No, I don't. Shh.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get back to the basics, where it all began. I mean, we've been friends for a really long time, man. Really long time. Some of the best memories of my life are with you. I ever told you that? Remember high school? Robbing your dad's liquor cabinet? Or that time we stole your mom's car? Remember when we did all those whippets and I told you that the devil lived inside your mailbox, so you smashed it with a bat? Classic us. God, you were an animal back then. So carefree. I miss that about you. So how about this? How about we just go get a beer and have some fun?
You're my best friend, man.
And I know we grew apart there for a minute. And things got kind of different. When you went off to college, I was so proud of you. I mean, I couldn't believe you did that to me. Mom was still in treatment, so it was just me and fucking Scott at home. You remember Scott, right? Big guy, mean. Yeah. Hey, look at me now. Made me the man I am. We all gotta go through a little shit, Jonathon. I guess it's just a good thing we have each other in this fucked up world. You really hurt me, man. We gotta stick together. So fucking mad. I love you, brother. People just don't understand. I fucking hate everyone. I love you, brother. I was so fucking mad.
I love you, brother.
It's us against the world, man. That's the thing, you're living in a third world fucking country.
You are. We all are. And that's the fucked up thing, is that you're not allowed to admit that you are, or you're a communist, or a socialist, or something, right? Like, what the Hello?
There he is, my money man.
Hey, we had a hell of a day at the races today. Well, I had a hell of a day.
Sioux City Slim paid 80 to 1. Was in that paddock at 7 a.m.
And I watched every worthless, godforsaken beast that touched the dirt. And I picked a winner. Me.
I did that.
Okay.
Any asshole can inherit a few G's from a dead relative, but it takes an artist to be able to pick the strong ones.
From the weak ones. I really don't see myself giving this money back to you.
Anyways, I gotta run. Tell Justin this makes us more than square.
Who's that? It's your friend from the woods. The guy who he beat me up and he took my inheritance? Right. I love that guy. He's like a father to me. He stole my money again. No shit. Well, hey, you know what Pawlowski said about money? There's only two things wrong with it. Either having too little or having too much. Sounds to me like you have been unencumbered. I think you're staying here tonight.